Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to plot a list in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got a set of data points expressed in the form of a list and you'd like to plot those data points in Mathematica, so I'll be showing you how to plot a list in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've just zoomed in a bit so the code is easier to see. Now I'm just going to type out my first list with the first set of data points and my second list with my Y list of data points. Now you're going to type list plot, and inside the square brackets you're going to transpose your two lists. So that will be transpose, and then in those square brackets you'll have a set of curly brackets, and inside there will be your two lists, x comma y. And now if I run that, as you can see, I get a lovely plot of my lists and the data points. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to plot a list in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.